Hi, welcome back to Funny and Cute Caricatures. My name is Marta Sitniewski, and I am a caricature artist who works at birthday parties, private events, trade shows, and weddings. And also, I do caricatures through custom orders through the email from photos, just like the one we will do today. Today, we'll draw a picture of Woody Allen, who is a director, a writer, an actor, and a comedian. So let's get started. First, we sketch the shape of the head, which is round at the top and goes to a soft, pointy, triangular shaped when it recedes downwards. And the chin. And look at that beautiful, sincere smile. He has a wonderful smile. He looks just like the friend that everybody wants to have. Very genuine, very delicate, very happy guy. And the nose, oh, look at that beautiful distinctive nose. All we need is just to indicate only the bottom of the nose in our drawing. Yes. And then we can do the eyes. The eyes are a circular shape. One is a lazy eye, but we only need to lightly indicate that. And the first one is more alert. And we have very short, bushy eyebrows. Get a few hairs. Inside of the eye. And that's pretty much it. We can do a few wrinkles, it's not necessary. Beautiful hair, look how fun it is. It's like moving everywhere, like as if there was wind blowing through it. Over here, curves a few on the sides, goes toward the ear. The ear sticking out a little bit, only the top part, like so. And we have the basic sketch done. Yeah. Here we go. Now to age the person, we can draw delicate lines, and we see bags under the eyes, although they are covered by the glass frame. But do it as gentle and as lovingly as you would draw your own grandpa. Yeah. Perfect. And the glasses. Straight here. And other sides. Like this. Perfect. And I'll take a frame. And now quickly, let's draw the neck and shoulders. And we have a shirt here. Beautiful. And for the sign it. And for the black and white sketch, we would only shade it with the I use gray pastel in this sample. Very gently, very lovingly, like so. And there we have it. Let me smudge it. Beautifully. I love how soft pastels blend. It reminds me of oil paint. However, I am still breastfeeding, so I cannot use oil-based paint because of the toxicity and all that stuff. But soft pastels, you've chosen an outlet, the similar outlet like the oil paint for beautiful, beautiful blending. How cute is this? Very nice. Oh, the eyes. Let's color in the eyes a little bit. Darker at the top, going lighter toward the bottom. Darker at the top, going lighter toward the end. And we can reinforce the darkest darks. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more similar content in the future. Thank you. Bye.